I'm so shy. Dum 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 dum. I'm so pretty and I like that. When he beats it up, he deep inside a kitty cat. Kitty cat losing focus like it's very wild. And where we at? Cause I'm trying to make a movie star. Pum dum dum pum dum.
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're coming here for the first time, welcome, and please subscribe. It's absolutely free. Today I'm going to show you how I lay my 4C natural hair using this gel activator, this pomade, combs and water. If you've been wondering how I lay my ponies or how I'm able to wear pony regardless of the fact that I have a natural hair, this video is for you. So here my niece is just going to comb my hair and try to wet it. That's all my hair, I mean. So she's combed it, she has detangled the hair, and then she's cutting a part at the side. I like to have my parts at the side because I feel like it fits me better. So that's just what she's doing right now. So I'm trying now to pack my hair into a bun, a low bun, because I want my pony to be on that level. Wherever you want your pony to be, you can place the bun there. So I'm trying to make sure that everything lays perfectly, and then I'm using a rubber band to pack it. I know that a lot of people say that rubber bands are not good for our hair because you string them along. Well, I'm one of those people who isn't really particularly careful about my hair, but for some reason, somehow it just grows. Although I feel like my hair should have grown longer than this if I took proper care of it, but this is where we are, and I feel like I'm satisfied with this length. I really don't care. So she's helping me brush it perfectly to lay perfectly flat. The thing is, you can actually do this by yourself, but I had the opportunity of having someone around, so she helped me to get the process done easier and faster. There's a saying that I hear that every naturalista would not have fat arms because they're always working on their hair. So here we're using the gel activator to just rub on the surface of the hair. Remember that the hair is damp, so it helps to get the activator, get the gel to stick better. So that is what she's doing right now. She's just applying the gel and brushing through. You want to make sure that you do not put an excess of the gel so it doesn't become sticky or it doesn't run. Just enough to make the hair lay flat is okay. My face is already turning into something really pretty. If you have watched my other two videos about Valentine's present and Malcolm and Marie, I made those videos right after I made this video. So this is the process to which I looked beautiful in that video. So now she's going to apply a little bit of the charming pomade. I feel like that is a sealant. I don't have reasons behind this product that I'm using. I don't know what they have in them. I don't know what the active ingredients are, but for some reason they just work for me. And this lasted for about 2 or 3 days. Yeah, it lasted for about 2 or 3 days. I feel like you can, if you want to take it longer, you just need to top up, or you just need to wet your hair and then try to brush it in. So we're done now. I'm using this scarf, this net, to just tie it in place for a couple of minutes while I get my makeup done. So you can take it for like 10 minutes if you don't want to stay too long. And here we go. My makeup is done. My makeup was done by the makeup faculty, by the way. So this is after everything is set and I'm feeling myself. And then I have this pony from Becky's Waves. This is it's customized. You can have one bundle in the pony, or you can have 2 bundles in the pony. It's all your preference, and then you can choose whatever type of hair you want. I decided to use straight, and this is what I got. So it comes with 2 combs, and I'm trying to just attach that on the pony. The good thing about this is that you can actually take off the pony at your convenience. There's a drawstring, so you can it fits everybody. So you can take out the pony at your convenience. Maybe at night when you're trying to sleep, you can take it out, and then the next day you can put it back on. Or you can take it out maybe if you want to eat and you know that the food is going to be very messy and your hair is going to be in the way, you can take it out and then put it back in. So this is me. Oh my goodness, look how pretty I look. And a lot of you commented about my top, my outfit in my previous videos. The fabric is from Kitty's World. I'm going to plug in all of their handles. I'll plug in if you want the contact of where it was made, I'm going to let you in on that as well. Just drop your comments or drop me a DM on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. How can I leave without showing off? This is me feeling myself. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It's absolutely free. Just click the subscribe button. And if you haven't watched our short film Silenced, please do, and let us know your thoughts. Bye.